To catch a killer who made a Hollywood-style prison break. 36-year-old Aleksey Shestakov, sentenced to 24 years for murder, escaped by helicopter. According to investigators, his accomplices, a man and a woman, hijacked the chopper. They threatened the pilots with a gun and ordered them to fly to the prison settlement in Sheksna village. When the helicopter reached the settlement, the hijackers lowered a rope ladder and Shestakov climbed up. The helicopter then flew to Vologda. There, the getaways released the pilots and went into hiding, but several hours later, police officers managed to locate and detain Shestakov. He tried to resist arrest and was slightly wounded. The police are now searching for his two accomplices.